my backpack and my dog by my side. We're chasing sunsets where the wild winds ride. No map to follow, just the open road. Our hearts are light with no heavy load. We're two explorers in a world so wide. Me and my pup with the stars as our guide. Every step's a story, every mile's a tale. Wanderlust and wagon tails will never fail.
Yes, if you had it from your perspective too.
From mountain peaks to the ocean blue, everywhere we go feels fresh and new. My dog's my compass with his nose so keen. Together we're living the ultimate dream. We're two explorers in a world so wide. Me and my pup with the stars as our guide. Every step's a story, every mile's a tale. Wanderlust and wagon tails will never fail. The world can be big, but we're never alone. With four paws beside me, it feels like home. No need for others, we got our crew. The bond we share is forever true. We're two explorers in a world so wide. Me and my pup with the stars as our guide. Every step's a story, every mile's a tale. Wanderlust and wagon tails will never fail. Never fail.
Done a bunch of errands today, right? Yeah, and then we just got your food. You did. Now your eyes are open. Way up there. Did you poot? Did you poot? Did you stink up the joint? Flinny, look at me. You won't even look at me. Flinny, come here, baby. Flynn, boo-boo, what you meow? You're okay. You're okay. You pooted, though. Something upset your belly? Is this something I gave you, or did you eat something yucky? Huh? Uh-huh. Not sure. I cannot get over how sweet this boy is. Look at my boy. He's so sweet. That's my boy. Makes all this crazy life worth it, don't ya? His birthday's in a couple days, so I'm gonna celebrate. Gonna be 9. My baby. How is it you're gonna be 9 already? Oh, so beautiful. I love you, buddy. Can't even start thinking about his age. It just freaks me out. I want him to be here forever. Because he's the best boy. You got it back when Baxter's not looking.
Good boy, Flynn. Good job.
You stole it back.
The towel is worth $1.
Not ever.
Get it.
Get it. Get it. Play with her. Play with her. Get it, Flinny. Get the frisbee. Good boy. Get the frisbee. Go on, baby. Get the frisbee. Get it.
Good job. That's awesome. Good boy. That's awesome. Oh my gosh.
Good boy, buddy. Good boy.
Yay.
Good boy. That's about time. Only took you a couple months. Get it, Flinny. Get the frisbee. Get the frisbee.
Shake it, don't.
Did you get your frisbee? You flipped it over your head. How did you do that? This is your frisbee with the center ripped out. Look at this. How did you manage that? Now that I wish I got on video. You don't care. You just want me to throw it, don't you? Go play? Go play? You gonna play with me? Oh, nope. You're gonna smell. Seriously not gonna try to take that thing off your nose? Are you serious right now? Are you silly? What is that? What is this? So what's up, buddy? Do you want to go outside because you hear coyotes? I think that's why you want to go outside. Yeah. So we're not going out there. We don't know how many there are. There's just 2 of us. There could be like 10 of them, you know? Yeah. I know, you're fascinated, aren't you? You've never heard coyotes. No, sir. This is new. Yeah. Oh. What are you watching? Huh? Are you watching the goats? Are you silly? It's 93 degrees out here. We're in Idaho. Yeah, and somebody thinks he should be a lap dog. So here we are, lap dog. I still love ya. You good boy. Are you mesmerized by insulation? What's interesting? What am I missing? Huh?
The mountains shake, the waters roar as the people shout your name.